Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes. So today I'd just like to share a few purchases with you. First up, Sam Edelman. Purchased these shoes directly from their website. I saw these shoes from multiple influencers, including Erin Busby, including Mommy's Makeup and Moscato. Several YouTubers show these shoes. They are a neutral, but like in a cognac brown kind of color. I think these will go with a lot, and I have a pair of flat sandals that are by Circus of Sam Edelman, and I got them a few years ago. They're the Tory Burch dupes, and they're starting to show some wear. So I wanted a new pair, and I really like these. So I ordered them directly from Sam Edelman because the first time you make any purchase pretty much on any manufacturer's website versus going retail, usually the first purchase they give you 20% off, and I could not find these on sale anywhere. So again, purchases directly, and they are, I believe, 100% leather, and yeah, so I'll try these on for you. Next up, Loft. I broke one of my rules. I bought a duplicate. But I really like this set. I think Laura from Little Box of Happy has it. And I think that's where I saw it. And then I decided to get it myself. So again, this is a duplicate that I already have in the light blue and white pinstripe, but I really like this. I got the pull-on linen blend shorts. I'll show you these first. And they're calling the color Palm, or the style Palm, and Radiant Peach. So let me come close so you can see the print. All right, because when I was looking online, the print didn't look like this to me in person, but that's okay because I like the print in person as well too. I got these in my usual extra small. They're 55% linen, 45% viscose, and as you can see, even with the traveling, it's not too wrinkled, which is not bad. I only paid $18.55 for these because they were 50% off, and I think I had a Loft coupon, so what a deal. The next one I got is this patchwork one shoulder top, right? And this one I paid $18.56, so a penny more. So not a bad price. Radiant Peach. And I think for the price and the fact that I think this is gonna look cute on because the other outfit looks cute on, I think it is worth it. Now, in order for me to get the free shipping, I had to buy something else. I ended up buying this polo top in Polo top Mystic Forest, all right, in this dark green color. And I would say this is kind of like a forest green. So this is like one of their new fall items. It's a polo style with buttons here down, almost all the way down the front. It is ribbed. What surprised me is I thought this was gonna be a sweater material. It is not. This is 95% rayon, 5% spandex, and I don't really like the material. I really thought it was going to be like a sweater style. I will try it on for you guys, but I don't think I'm going to keep it. I'm going to return it and save some money. And this is the most expensive item at $24.03. So the total for these three items together was $61.14. Not bad, right? All right, next up, I got this dress. So there's a story that goes on with this dress. A couple months ago, I was shopping with my mother-in-law up by her, and we went into White House Black Market, and I tried on a bunch of things because I like trying on clothes. And I tried on this dress because some reason I was attracted to this dress. I ended up getting the top in the same pattern, but I really liked the dress. And I also have the matching jacket in sepia. But I really like the dress. But the dress was a lot of money, and I have no use for this dress whatsoever. So the dress comes with the straps that you can remove and wear it as like a bustier top if you wanted to. But it has straps if you prefer the straps. I got this in my normals. Oh, I got this in a 0. I thought I got this in a size 2. I got this in a 0, so we'll have to see how this fits because when I tried the 2 on in store, the 2 fit, but it didn't fit around my chest. And the 2 was tight around the back, but was too loose in the chest. So we'll have to see if this fits okay. I think it will fit okay. And I didn't buy it with her. And then because it was just a lot of money and I just didn't need it. She's like, oh, I'll buy it for you. I said, no. And then it went on sale down to $85. And I'm like, I really just don't need this dress. And then we booked a cruise. and then the dress went down to $50, $49.99. Now that is fate. You know what I'm saying? I booked a cruise, the dress I wanted goes down to $49.99. I had to get it. All right, give me a minute and I will do a try on. Okay, first up is this loft outfit that I spent under $40 on and I think is absolutely adorable. It does have a real drawstring waist here. It has elastic around the back too. Have the pork chop pockets in front. It's a light, airy material. Doesn't seem to wrinkle too badly. And you can put it with this top, mix and match, etc. And this top then makes it kind of look like a little romper without the aggravation of having to take the full romper off. I have it paired with the Sam Edelman neutral color slides, which I do think is a good combination. And I love this outfit, and you will probably see this outfit on me in this week sometime. Okay, give me a minute and I'll try on the next piece. Okay, so the dress does work. I do have to zip it up on the side though, because I'm on an octopus and I can't get back there. And it is snug, but if I ever want to take the straps off, I need to go down to a size 0 because otherwise the 2 is just way too big across the top. And I remember that when I tried it on in store. If I want to wear the straps, I could do a 2, but I'm okay with the 0. It's not too tight on me. I actually prefer it this way. I'm not wearing a bra with this, and I think I can get away with it because there's a lot of fabric in here to cover me up, and it's tight enough that it's not causing me to sag. I kept on the Sam Edelman shoes with this, and obviously you can see these goes in color. I probably wouldn't wear this with it. I think the shoes are a little bit too casual for this dress. I'd probably wear a pair of minimalist heels of some sort, but I think this is a perfect dress to bring on my cruise, and I'm getting excited already. It was meant to be, so I'm very happy with this dress. Let me know your thoughts, and I think I got a pretty good deal on it, especially for a White House black market. So what I recommend if you need a dress for an event or you just want to have a nice dress in your closet, they go on sale all the time there. You just gotta wait for it. 50 is pretty cheap. I usually see them for 60 and 65. 50 is about the cheapest I've actually ever seen a dress from there. And this is a nice high quality dress. It comes to my mid calf. Remember, I am only 5'2". It would probably, most people, it would probably come like just below the knee on most people. But this, I think, is a great dress to be wearing to like a formal night on my cruise, and I have the matching jacket in case I get cold. Yeah, so thank you. All right, give me a minute and I'll pop on that polo. Okay, the last item I have to show you is this polo top, and I'm eating my words. I like this top. I like it a lot. I did not like the material when I pulled it out because it's kind of like stretchy and springy, but on me, I do like it. I do, because part of the reason I like it, and I know a lot of people don't like this kind of material, it is kind of clingy, but I like things that are more form-fitting on me. I pair this with my mother jeans that you guys have seen a million times, and a pair of loafer mules. And these loafer mules are like almost like a clog loafer mule combined. That gives me some height, and I think this is a perfectly good late September fall transition outfit. Love it. I don't have anything in this color, and it is definitely unique to my wardrobe. It has the little puff sleeves here. The arm length, it comes to a good arm length so you won't be so cold. It will layer nicely with a jacket. I would probably do a black or dark gray jacket with this, most likely black. And yeah, I think this is a keeper in my closet for $24. And that is it. Thank you again for returning subscribers. I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, what's holding you back? Click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me and give me a thumbs up. And take care. Until next time.